Alright, you guys, so every Vlogmas has its tragedy. Today is day 5, December 5th. We got 20 more days of Christmas, y'all. But I'm going to go ahead and jump into this video. This is just going to be a quick video of how I do my eyebrows. Now, there's a million videos on YouTube about how to do your eyebrows. But this one is kind of a simple way. You know, I do my eyebrows simple. I'm not trying to look like super glam every day. I just don't want no crooked or weird or bushy eyebrows. So this is going to be a quick video of how I do my eyebrows every day. I practiced this for over 6 to 8 months. I mean, long, extensive practicing, and I pretty much got it down to a good 20 minutes or less for me to do my eyebrows, to the point where sometimes I actually do my eyebrows at night before I go to work. So this is going to be a quick video on how I do my eyebrows for Vlogmas day 5. And yeah, go ahead and check it out. anyway, it's not nothing miraculous, but you know, I'm not trying to look like my face is beat to the gods every time I walk out the house. So that's a simple way to do your eyebrows. Make sure you got your curvature, even when you in between getting your eyebrow arch. Concealer will hide those little hairs, y'all. Anyway, that is my video for Vlogmas Day 5. And I will be back tomorrow with Day 6. Thank you. This is...
makes the beat bang.